is Josh Carrillo, and I will be covering the Twin Towers. The construction history: the Twin Towers were originally constructed on August 6, 1968. That was the original start date for the first building, and it was completed and opened on April 4th, 1973. It was designed as an office space with a total of 10 million square feet, and this was able to reach the height that it did because of the goal to reach the title of tallest building in the world. And how it would be built in the 1700s compared to the modern technological advances with cranes and elevators. Masonry would have to be involved in this case. Pulley systems would have to be used to elevate the materials and to reach higher floors for the labor force, because it would be so vital to the construction. Scaffolding, false work would be necessary to create the windows and the outside architectural aspect, aesthetic. And because there was no technology for elevators, elevators would not be used and staircases would be involved. And that is it. Thank you so much.